Okay, we are going to talk about a C minor chord. A C minor chord looks a lot like a B minor chord. So if you've been playing a B minor chord, this is going to be much different. It is a bar chord though, so we're going to get started right away. The C minor chord looks just like the B minor chord except moved up one fret. Okay, so we're going to go, we count the strings from the floor to the ceiling. We're going to go to the 3rd fret, 1, 2, 3, the frets of the boxes. 3rd fret, 5th string, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. All right. Then we take our ring finger and we go to the 5th string, 5th fret, 4th string. Pinky goes down next on the 5th fret, 3rd string. That's your basic power chord shape. I just play on the strings I'm pressing down. That's what that sounds like. But you go ahead and finish out the chord with the middle finger on the 2nd string. I know it's kind of tough to see. Middle finger on the 2nd string, and then your 1st finger is pressing down on the 1st string and the 5th string. C minor. Listen to the difference between C major and C minor. Or C major here. If you want to try playing this chord up higher on the neck to get to know how to do it a little bit better, it's a little easier to play when the frets are smaller and the tension on the strings is less, but you also want to learn it down here for your C minor. If you move it around, it changes what the chord is. That's an F minor chord, for example, but it's still the same shape that you're making with your hand. Also, your 1st finger is flat across, okay, so it's pressing down on the 5th and 1st string. But then your other fingers are up on their fingertips. If they're not on their fingertips, you're gonna start to muffle strings and get this kind of sound. This is a tough chord to learn how to do, so take your time with it. Pause, rewind, use a metronome. You can also just do it with your left hand first, not even trying to strum until you have it. Maybe change between different chords until you can do it a little easier before you add the right hand. Anyway, have fun.